Okay, here's the 2-digit combination lock flash drive. You see it's set on 00, and with this lever here, you can push it halfway or all the way if you want to use it. But to reset the lock, you need to push it just halfway. Once it's halfway, you can change the number whatever you want. So let's make the number 09. There's 09. So if I retract it back, if I try and turn it to 00, it won't extend. But if I change it to 09, my new code, it will extend all the way. If I don't like that code, move it back halfway, and I can make it, let's say, get right on halfway. I can make it 0, let's see, 3, 3. Once I pull it back, it'll then only extend on 3, 3. If I change it to 3, 5, it won't extend, it's locked. So that's how you set the new lock. Once you have the right code, move it halfway. And then you can change the number to whatever you want. I'll set this back to 00. Hope that helps.